In the realm of luxury, there's an idiom that rings true. Go big or go home. Well, this mansion took that saying to heart and then some. Today we invite you to step inside an amazing luxury $17.5 million mansion in Utah that will leave you dumbstruck and quite possibly a little jealous. Are you not curious about how the other 0.001% live? Me too, so let's find out. This mansion is called the Hobble Creek Canyon and was built in 2013. Did you know that it holds this title for being the largest home in the entire Beehive state? It's like living in your own personal kingdom of grandeur. This architectural masterpiece stands proud with a staggering 50,738 square feet of pure richness. This mammoth mega mansion boasts a whopping 6 bedrooms, 8.5 baths and an 8-car garage. But hold on to your hats, because this place is far more than just a place to rest your weary head. It's an adult playground disguised as a home. Need some excitement? How about your very own indoor water park? That's right, forget about waiting in line and wearing those silly floaties at the local water park, because this mansion has you covered, with a water slide, rope swing, hot tub and even a waterfall. It's like nothing you've ever seen before. It's even bigger than most hotel pools. And if you want to take it easy, there's also a lazy river where you can float along and enjoy the peaceful atmosphere. But that's not all. This remarkable mansion wraps around the spirit of entertainment like no other. Ever dreamed of being bowling champion? Well, here's your chance. Behold the 2-lane bowling alley where strikes and spares await your skillful throws. And if you're feeling particularly sporty, head over to the indoor basketball court for a round of hoops with your friends. You'll never have to worry about the weather ruining your game again. Now let's talk about location, shall we? Situated on a vast 156-acre bluff overlooking the majestic Wasatch Mountains, this mansion offers you a front row seat to nature's breathtaking beauty. As you step into the grand entryway, prepare to be greeted by a sight fit for royalty. The hallway, adorned with magnificent 20-foot ceilings, a sparkling chandelier, and elaborate dual staircases, sets the stage for what lies beyond. And what lies beyond, you ask? A few steps away you'll find a formal living room with windows that showcase the surrounding peaks in all their glory. Now, moving to the basics, there's a sauna, because who doesn't enjoy a good detoxifying sweat session? And of course a shuffleboard court to challenge your friends and family to friendly competitions. But hold on tight, because there are things that are about to get really exciting. Who says luxury has to be for grown-ups? This newly listed Utah mansion promises to offer as much indoor fun as your inner child can handle. There's also a special room just for kids. It's like a dream come true with a pirate ship and a slide for them to play on. They'll have the time of their lives. And when it's time for grown-ups to have fun, there's a fantastic entertainment area downstairs. It's a big space that can hold parties and fundraisers for up to 500 people. People who have set foot in this have fell in love with how amazing it is. The home theatre, meanwhile, features tiers of leather recliners that can accommodate up to 27 of your closest companions. Picture yourself reclining in the home theatre, popcorn in hand, as the movie magic unfolds before your eyes. Remember, it's not just a house, it's a gateway to a world of limitless entertainment where every day is a celebration and every corner is filled with surprises. This mansion is being sold as a private home, but it could also be a great vacation spot or even a place for companies to have retreats. There are so many outdoor activities nearby, like hiking, biking, hunting, riding and off-roading, adventures just a step away. But as you know, all this luxury comes with a price tag of $17.5 million. It may seem like a lot. No, actually it is a lot, but imagine how cool it is. I have a question for you. In this expansive mansion that already offers so much, what else would you desire if you were living there? Personally, I'd love to have a secret door in the library. How about you? Share your ideas in the comments and don't forget to subscribe for more remarkable mansions.